Hey guys, it's EleVids here, and today we are at Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and now we are at the ERL platform. And let's review the Gardens Hotel in Lingkaran Putra. Let's go. So this is level 21, the room that we're going to stay. Okay, so now let's plug in the card. Today I have to take a flight from here. Okay, now I take my baggage. Wait for a while.
Later.
Okay, let's review the room now. Here has a door lock. We need to lock here for safety. And we got the power here. We got 2 free drinks here. Mineral water, and this is the bed that I ordered, the king size bed. And now here is the lamp, and here is the view of the hotel. Actually, this hotel is very good because I stayed here before. The mall beside it is the Gardens Mall. It's also a very famous mall in KL. And this is the view, and let's see the toilet. So this is a toilet with cupboard. Actually, this is a 5-star hotel, high, and this is a cupboard. Let's open it. We got hangers, irons, and something here, slippers, and one extra below here. So this toilet is transparent one. We got the phone here, and we got the bidet, the toilet bowl, and today we got the bathtub here. And here is the toilet view, and here is the sanitary kit that given by the hotel. And this has a lamp. Actually, the room is quite dark. I tried to open the light. Oh, not quite dark. I didn't open the light. Yeah, I didn't open the light. Sorry. And we have a sharp TV here. Let's open the light. All lights. And that's it, today's room tour. And also here I have a house phone. It has a pen and a paper. Let's see what's this. We have got a safe box here also. And here also have a phone. And here's the remote control. Today my journey is very rushed, so I didn't do a detailed hotel room tour. And that's it.